You're a Leon Jackson?
I was born 1974, the 26th of January. I'm an Aquarius. May the Lord bless and keep you and make his face continue to shine on you.
Bless up.
Right?
Bless up,
Big
Mr.
up.
Jackson. Big up. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So we are back at Melissa's. You guys know, aka Jerky. Whenever we are in this part of the world, we always stop by. Yo, and shout out to the people, because I had a subscriber hit me up on Instagram and she was like, she sent me pictures and said that, yo, she found it. Melissa said like 15 people came at once. A bunch of other people came and showed some support. I appreciate that. Anyway, I am taking my cousin and Kurt out here today to try whatever it is that she has on the menu.
Soup.
I'll take a soup.
It's nice.
It's nice?
And I don't tell lies.
No lies are told on the videos.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Yes. It's so nice. Yeah, guess what? Thank you very much. Real what is shrimp?
Oh yeah.
It's not shrimp flavor.
Nice.
Shrimp's in there, yeah.
Yes, my mask is put on the right way, Jilly, not because it's pink. Michelle gave. Oh my God! I know they're gonna say something in the comments. This is you, right, Soup?
I don't think so.
Oh my God! You don't drink soup? Okay. Thank you so much, Mel. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I appreciate it. We get a whole lot of people come and so we appreciate it.
Bye.
Some people fine and things.
Nice.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. And we thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for cooking the good food.
Yes.
All right, I'll take a jerk pork.
Oh yeah, so Kurt wants a jerk.
How much do you want the breadfruit?
All right.
With rice and peas. No, rice and peas. Yeah. Yeah. No veggies.
No veggies.
You know what I find so funny? Like street food spots, like the vendors have the best personalities.
Yeah.
And then when you go to like the restaurants, it's just like, it's weird.
Or sugar and spice.
Oh my. That was bad today?
That was terrible. She almost got into a fight.
Not a fight,
I
Kurt.
was
Not a
kidding.
fight.
The girl was rude.
Oh yeah. So we see the rice and peas there.
If you want it.
Kurt don't eat vegetables.
Yeah, man, we can give you some. No worry yourself.
So for those who have seen the past 3 videos, I might have been wondering what happened to Biggs. I think that's what's his name, Biggs, right? Biggs got better and everything. Yeah, so he's good. But we haven't seen him tonight. What is his real name?
We don't know. We name him Big, so that's his name.
That's his name, yeah.
Yeah, we gave him that name.
Yes. Something.
You enjoy that?
Oh, it's a Biggs! It's Biggs! Hey, Biggs! Oh my God! Like literally. I thought he was like, yeah, him kind of a hop around thing, but he's good. But he got real better. He's big again. Hello, Biggs! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! I am glad. I'm glad. Oh, that's Melissa's mom.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question. Did you teach her how to cook, or she?
Yeah.
You're the one who.
Want to cook.
Yeah. Nice. That's a good thing. Good thing. All right, I'm gonna try to send up the drone really quick to show you guys exactly where she is from an aerial perspective. What I like is a nice little backdrop of the ocean. You can hear it, especially at these times of the day. So that's really cool. So it's right at the gas station. I'm gonna try to show you guys a visual reference. So again, that's the gas station right there. And I'll throw the drone up so you guys can have a better idea.
I used to work at a restaurant, so when we go in school, we work at a restaurant. Yeah,
also, you got a 1 in foods and then you work to the restaurant as well.
Yes, because when we go into school,
yeah.
we do you have all the power, you know, we have to roll on myself, so we do part-time, like weekends and some, we work at a restaurant. But first thing is never come I used to cook first. Let me like wash up and stuff. So one time I prepare.
Yeah, always start from washing.
Wash it down, so. So one morning now, I cook the breakfast. And when I cook the breakfast, she gets smothered so wash and me start.
I think you did mention that you cooked for like probably like 5 years at another jerk spot.
Yes, yeah man, I do 11 years up.
11 years, yeah.
Yes.
So you got some good experience
I'm
there.
2 year at Blueberry that I first jerk center at Blueberry, and then dear. So somebody said I'm going on my own, but try a thing for myself.
Please remember us when you become like super big, like you know, you have your big jerk center and whatever. Remember the little people.
Yes.
Like you have one here and one down the road.
Yeah,
Yes.
it will happen. I love this. Usually we normally film in the night, but now we can actually see everything clearly.
Yeah.
And me, I always say like I like seeing something different, not just the chicken and bread. You see me, so jerky we deal with the breadfruit, not just
steamed
bread,
veg and raw
steamed veg, raw veg, a nice little twist to it, you know, to the good old classic Jamaican jerk. But yo, what I really want to talk about right now really is this shrimp soup, bro. Swim soup. It's you can taste the shrimp in it. It's ridiculous. Whoa. Yo, it just again what I like when it's the soup is spicy, but it's not hot. It's weird. I can't pepper this. Yeah, it's full of flavor. I love that. And then
this is what we made.
And what I like about it too, you taste the shrimp. So whether the shrimp, you could see the shrimp in there or not, you can taste them. It's ridiculous. And it's a good balance in between with the soup, because some persons like a thick soup, some persons like it kind of, you know, liquidy. This one is just in between. So it's a nice type of brothy kind of soup, but you can taste like the rich flavors inside of it. Yo, you did good with this, cause when I've never really seen people do like a seafood soup with red peas, because again it's a nice twist, isn't it? It's very different for me, but I love it, yo.
Oh, God. We have all okra in it too. Everything.
Yeah, man, I love this. This will bring back great memories of just stopping on the road, getting jerk pork, pan chicken, whatever. You know, really happy to be here. So excited.
All right, so we're just under the little shack area where you can sit and lounge and eat. Honestly, I like places like these because they are unpretentious. They're just what they are, and every time you come back you can have the opportunity to see growth. You might see they add something new to the menu item, maybe they added, you know, a better signage, whatever the case is. You know, it's always good to see that. Speaking of that, we're gonna actually be going to a really nice quaint place that I'm super excited to go to. So I'm taking everybody there, and today I want it to be a chill day. I don't think a lot of persons understand the amount of time and effort that goes into like producing the videos and stuff, because I went to bed at 6 a.m. this morning because I wanted to edit the video so that you guys could have it. So today I'm just gonna chill at this place, get some shots of it, and then we should be re-energized and ready to take on the road, because tomorrow morning's video I think is gonna be amazing. It's gonna be an adventure that I've never been on, and maybe you might have never been on either. You're excited, right? So we saw this really amazing stretch of fruit stalls. Like I said to Michelle and Kurt, I was like, yo, we're gonna get you some fruits, but I want to make sure that wherever we get it from is gonna look beautiful, it's gonna look unique, it's gonna look Jamaican, and I think like this looks real good. What you think, Kurt?
Look at the size of these okras.
Yeah.
Hey, apple.
Nice one. Yeah. So this looks like coconut oil. This could be coconut oil. But this is the main objective. Oh, and it's so funny. Ironically, they pair the two of them together. And your favorite mango. What?
Yes.
What? Oh my god. Okay, so we also need to get you some limes to make some fresh squeezed lemonade. Because you keep talking about it like you're still in DR, bro. But anyway, look at these OTET apples. They're huge. And the avocados, man. Avocados. Wow. Beautiful. That's a bunch of stuff. This is a blacky mango? Or stringy? This is a stringy mango. I don't like stringy mangoes.
You spend half a day cleaning on your teeth.
Yeah, that's not my style. If you ask me. But I won't lie, I love the setup of out here. You just see all the fruits and stuff. It's oh my gosh, that looks like a sugar loaf pineapple, I believe. This one. Drop in the comments if you guys can differentiate these stuff differently. Mango still on the stick. Look at that. You know, Jamaican women them love them fried plantain. You know what I mean? Oh, and pumpkin. Oh, whoa.
East Indian up there, so.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yep.
Amazing.
Wow, so much things. And we also have roasted breadfruit. You know it can be roasted breadfruit when it starts having the black spots on it. That's what my grandmother told me. That's how you know that breadfruit can be roasted.
You want to taste mommy? You had mommy? Mommy.
That's kind. Yeah, I've had it before.
Okay.
We need to pay for the
Yeah, I like using that in parch.
Look here, me have to pay the man for This is a tip. This is a tip stall. Everybody asks for tip. I thought. Thank you, sweetie.
So I never got a chance to see what you guys were doing because I was cutting footage. But what's the damage? How much did you guys get this for?
That's it.
Not like I get rubber already. I didn't even know how much it. She said yes.
Is it 7?
700. Both of this for the plum and the raspberries.
No, the plum is 3.
300 for the plums. 700.
These two.
These two are 700.
Yeah.
So you spent $1,000 on everything here. Okay, how much you spend for this avocado?
Oh, I'm just holding it. I have no idea.
So you notice I protect everybody from getting any farmer.
Robbery.
No hustle events. The things that Jill is soft.
Oh, trust me.
Like the guy,
I saw her in action in Sugar and Spice.
Oh yeah, right?
Yeah.
She don't play.
No.
The guy was saying, we gave him $500, right?
Yeah.
And he was saying, we can't believe we're not take all this picture and you can't buy me a drink.
Yes.
Because he wanted
With our change.
Everybody
change.
drink with change.
Yeah. I'm like, at least try and sell us something.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So what you said, the June plum man changed your mood?
He did because he was trying to,
Where's the Kirk keep on giving $5,000?
thinking it's a little bit of money.
I know, I keep
Alright.
I was saying, hey, let me keep it $5,000 for you.
Alright, so funny enough, in Jamaica, the $5,000 note looks like the $500 note, so you'll be very cautious with that. But quite frank, in Jamaica, it's something that's very common that once you go to a stall, they might try to pressure you in spending more money or getting products. And this happens because sometimes they're here for the entire day and haven't gotten a sale, and they might think that you're soft, so you definitely have to get an idea. So maybe watching videos like these, I'll put the prices here so you have an idea of what you should expect to spend. Of course, things do fluctuate every now and again, but it's nothing too drastic. Lucky enough, Jilly was there to help out a lot because Kurt would have paid anything for for his favorite Jamaican fruits.
back.
Because if you want to come out here and live that thing. So I have a reverse osmosis filtration system here.
Nice.
So you don't have to worry about running belly from the water. And that's also hooked up here to the ice and the water here. Predominantly toaster, hot water kettle, blah 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 blah. And then right under here, hidden from you guests, is the outlet. You can plug it in right here. You have like knife and fork. You have, you know, like cling wrap and these kind of things here. And then down here you have rags. And then the most odd place, you have an iron, just in case you want iron.
Oh, wow,
Right?
good.
We even have a.
All right, guys, so we have gotten to our really nice and peaceful stop. Remember that song we heard in that video? You know what video I'm talking about? In Portland? You didn't get it, cicadas. The cicadas are singing. The cicadas are singing right now. But let me tell you, this stop where we're at is really, really beautiful. It's really, really quaint, and that's what I like about it. You can definitely tell that the owners live on property and they wanted somewhere that is very homely. So I'm gonna take you on a really quick virtual tour on what this place is like, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are gonna wanna stop by. So as soon as you enter through the balcony doors, which is the front entrance, you are going to see a beautiful, beautiful king-size bed. Now, if I must be honest, the space is more like a tiny home, but it makes very good uses of the space. Now, funny part about these stairs, they're more like a ladder, as the owner will tell you. So you take that little ladder to go up top, and there are 2 single-size beds that are there. Well, in our stage, the 4 of us, and we are going to work it out to make sure that all 4 of us will be able to fit in here comfortably. I just really like the decor of this place. I like the way that they use the wood. I like the lighting. I like just nice, cool, clean finishes that is done here. Now, one of my favorite parts about the space, even though it's small, they do manage to make it feel very open by the immense use of glass when it comes on to the doorways or the windowways. Straight from the top room, you can definitely look straight through and look right over into the falls or the beautiful forestry of the Portland area. Now, what I love about the kitchen space is the incredible use of the blue maho. Now, if you take a look at the place, you can definitely see that it is handcrafted. You can smell the blue maho as soon as you get in here, and it gives that really nice rustic and natural feel. The colors are popping through on every single inch of this kitchen, and I am really dying to actually make an amazing breakfast here while I stay.
All right, so y'all saw all the fruits that we got at the fruit stand on the street, right? So I'm gonna start off with the OTT apple, which I haven't had in about 2 years. And then we'll get to the rest of the fruits, so. It's nice, sweet and juicy. They tend to be more sweet when they're dark purple, right?
Correct.
Right, so cheers.
All right, so ladies, what do you guys think about the place? I know I had to basically let you guys be outside while I filmed inside and all that stuff. What do you think about the place, Jules?
It's really nice. I like the decor for the room, the painting. It's just quaint. The decor is kind of contemporary, but you know, so everything is just clean, and the workmanship on the furniture. Really
Love
good.
it.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that this place was open for business in, I think it was February, he said, of this year, 2021. So fairly new, fairly modern. Love it. What about you?
It's nice. It's really nice. I like, you know, just staying here and you just looking out to the greenery. It's really, really, really nice. Anywhere away from home right now, this place is really nice. It's quiet, natural. Yeah, I like it.
And Kurt, you definitely said you're gonna hog the hammock over there, right?
Definitely.
It's a fight.
Right, so
Oh my
you gotta
God.
you gotta sign
It's
up.
a fight. Oh, I'm sorry. We share. Sign up.
Yeah, so if you want to unwind, and I mean, they do have Wi-Fi, but if you want to just get away, recharge, it's the place to be.
And the Wi-Fi seems pretty good so
It
far
seems
because
so good.
I was on YouTube just now.
Yeah. The decor, like I said, is really nice. I really love the smell of the wood.
Yeah, cut. All right, so when we were back in the grill, one of the main aims was to give my cousin the opportunity to see a Negril sunset. But you know, Mother Nature is a lot stronger than those wishes that we have. So lucky enough, we were blessed on the very first day here to witness a Portland sunset. I think that makes this place increasingly worth every single penny that was spent on this property, because having a great way to end a busy, stressful day, it all adds up. So far, when it comes on to this property, do I enjoy it? Yes, I do. Meeting the owner myself, he was extremely helpful. If I'm to be honest, he asked about 10 times if there's anything else when he had some personal stuff he wanted to attend to. And that says a lot to me about any host. Anyway, it was a great day showing you guys some street food spots that I like, taking you for some fruits, and spending the day with Michelle, Jilly, and Kurt. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.
And like no other, right?
Thanks for coming, Kurt.
Thank you for having me, bro. So excited. Happy to be here. It's been how long has it been now? 2.5, 3 years. I finally made it on to an excursion. So loving it. Jamaica, land of beauty, we promise faithfully to serve you with our talents and bring our gifts to thee. Jamaica, we will always in honor of you.
From riverside to mountains, from cane fields to the sea, our hearts salute Jamaica, triumphant, proud and free. Yo, it was such a quick shift up from the beautiful sunshine for the singing to the rain. And you guys all know, if you come to Portland and it doesn't rain, it means you are not welcomed. Yo.